Hello wonderful family, welcome back to my channel. Thank you for clicking on this video. So I want to take this opportunity to say a very big thank you to anybody who has been a support to this channel. So guys, in today's video I have fante-fante on my recipe table. Okay, so my fish is already prepped and these are the ingredients that I am going to use for this recipe. Okay, so then I am going to make sure that I prep my tomatoes and get them ready for the blender. I'm going to cut my tomatoes into blendable sizes. After that, I am also going to use a quarter of a large onion, and I'm also going to use habanero pepper. This kind of pepper, I don't know, but it's really hot that I'm always careful when I am choosing the quantity or the size I am adding to my food. The next I'm going to do is to get my chopped or get my ingredients into my blender and get it to blend. So guys, if you're watching me at this point and you're still not part of this wonderful family, I would be glad to have you over here, right? So if you enjoy what I'm doing, don't forget to click on that subscribe button. Don't forget to join this family and turn on the bell notification. Anytime I upload a new video, you are going to be notified, okay? Thank you. So guys, the next I'm going to do is, after putting my fish into my pot, I'm going to steam this for 1 minute. Then I am adding some salt and some cube. Also, the most important ingredient here is fresh ginger. Okay, it gives your fante-fante a perfect taste, and your fish comes out so great with this yummy taste you don't want to miss. Then I am adding my blended ingredients, and it's just a stress-free recipe.
Healthy with berries, healthy homemade smoothies, cutie smoothies, making Ghanaian dishes. Wow. Who say woman no dey cook oh? Woman no dey cook oh.
If you are fancy or a fancy, say Fisherman, and so right as we are, you do you're very simple. When you there stress or more cry. Okay, so you don't want to mess up your fish, which is also very important. So what you want to do is to make sure that your fish is not messed up. Then you just keep turning and turning and turning. It doesn't really help. So this is my fish, After all, at this point, I mean, it's still strong. And say what? Oh, yeah, can't wait. So what I'm going to do is add some salt to taste and also one add a cube, and that is okay for me. The fisherman doesn't have time to add anything, but you have time to add some cubes. Because you really want that perfect taste.
Wow.
You don't want to rush your fish at all. You don't want to do that. So you take good care of your fish. And say what? It's been a look table. One this type of fish in a cry. The next thing I'm going to do is to take care of my red oil. I'm going to do this by frying my oil with some onions and some kobe, which is very important. I need that taste in my oil. But you can the oil is optional, guys. You can add oil, it's your choice. You can decide to avoid it. So at this point my oil became too much and I had to take some up at a point. So yeah, that's it. Then at this point what you want to know is that your fante-fante is ready, guys. It's ready, it's ready, just ready. So thank you for joining me today, but I still want to remind you, if you're not part of this wonderful family, you want to click on that subscribe button. You want to turn on bell notification anytime I upload a new video. You are going to be notified. All right, so you want to know that I love you so much, I appreciate you. Keep the likes coming, keep the support coming. If you have any comment for me, leave it in the comment section down below. And say Wanza, embrace any stew while you're ready. What you want to do is to get some etubi or you get some banku, even your rice, eh? Then, by me, I am going to do semolina. I have a very special recipe on how I prepare my semolina. You want to know that, and I'll be bringing you that video very, very soon. Okay, so the choice is yours. Wo fante-fante na you ready? Wo fashion ombre key. BBRA on point because our unstressed fashion cry. You see that thing. So thank you very much. And if you like what I'm doing, guys, don't forget you are free to watch any other video on this channel, and I'll be glad to have you as one of my YouTube family members. Okay, so yeah, that is my semolina. I'm going to just enjoy myself. I hope you try this at home and don't forget to bring that comment over here. It really tastes great. I cannot wait, guys. So until I come your way again next time, here is Rema Healthy Way. Until we're in Bye bye.